So hello YouTube, as you know yesterday was the Prime Day and I was just scrolling through the Amazon and I found a great deal on few Amazon products like Amazon Fire TV Stick and Eco. But as you know, Fire TV Stick I already purchased. So Fire TV Stick was being sold at half price. Okay guys, and similarly Eco and the Syska bulb, which is Wi-Fi enabled, was being sold for half price as well. So just because there was good offer, I brought these products. Actually I was not in need of them, but as the offer was good, only for that reason I purchased it. Now let me unbox it quickly. So the offer was, the regular price of this product is around over 4,000 rupees, but I got both of these in 2,200 rupees only. So that's a steal deal. The Amazon Eco is good because if you went to buy the Logitech Bluetooth adapter, even that adapter will cost you around 2,000 rupees. Then in such kind of deals, it's any day better to buy something like this instead of just that adapter. This is the combo. So this is a 12-watt bulb. This is not a normal bulb. Okay. The normal bulbs of Wi-Fi are of 9 watt. But as this is multicolor, I don't expect too much brightness from this. But I will show you in the video how it performs. So this is the process. See, 12 watts. Bulb is recommended for 10 to 12 hours usage per day. Switching off bulb in 24 hours will offer better life cycle. Okay, don't use this one continuously. App control 24 hours. I am trying to look for MRP. Look at the MRP. 2,200 is the MRP of just this bulb, and in 2,200 I got both of them. So let me quickly unbox it. So nothing special. This looks like a normal bulb only. Honestly, no one will notice this is a smart bulb, Wi-Fi enabled. Just a normal bulb it is. Some instruction manual inside. And warranty card and all that stuff. So that's all about this Syska LED. I will keep it aside. Now let's focus on this Amazon. Oh, this is heavy. Amazon Dot. This is 4th generation. This is the best part. 3.5 mm audio out and Bluetooth. So you can use it as a Bluetooth transmitter, Bluetooth adapter, which I was talking about. The Logitech Bluetooth adapter will cost you around 2,000 rupees. It's better to buy something like this instead of that just a Bluetooth adapter. I already purchased it for my home theater system in living room. Hands-free with Alexa. Microphone on off. This has 3 microphones and all these applications are supported. This is how you open it. It's pack piece. So here let's check the MRP on this one. Okay, 4,500 is the MRP. Let's quickly unbox it. the charger. This is not a charger actually, this is a power supply because there is no battery inside. This is small but pretty heavy in weight. Looks good. One instruction manual and nothing else inside box. So here you can see there is 3.5 mm jack and the input port. On the bottom model number and serial number, everything is written. This is mesh made of cloth. Actually I was about to buy the blue version, but after getting some dust and fingerprint on these buttons, it might turn into yellow. That's why I avoided the blue and the white color, and in this color the light should look good. Now I will quickly configure this and we will continue video after my configuration is complete. So you can see this is first time boot on. This LED looks beautiful. So let me quickly configure it and then I will get back to you guys. Stop the song. So this is how the sound quality is. Trust me guys, for the small size the sound quality is awesome. It's very loud, but around 50 to 70% volume it's crystal clear. After that you will experience some kind of distortion. So I'm not expecting too much from this tiny device, especially at this price point. And at this price point I got this bulb for free. Now Alexa, turn on the smart bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, change the color of smart bulb to red.
Okay.
Alexa, change the color of smart bulb to purple.
Okay.
See, this is the magic. Okay, so this smart bulb is configured with my Wi-Fi router, which is placed over there next to the TV, and so my Wi-Fi is connected with this smart bulb, and I configured Alexa in this smart bulb as well. Alexa, turn off the bulb.
Okay.
So this is how it works. Alexa is pretty loud. Okay guys, Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's the hardest part about having an ant as a pet? Putting the leash on.
Okay, so that was a joke, even though it was not funny, but I wanted to give you a demo how it sounds. So once you will get something like this was not my necessity. Okay guys, I brought it because of the discount, to be honest, and the deal I got is I'm very happy with that deal. So that was the reason I brought this setup. And the bulb, I am not decided where to install the bulb, but the Alexa I will keep somewhere into the living room only. later I'm going to connect this Alexa to my home theater, so I'm not much concerned about the sound quality from Alexa device itself. Only con I believe over here is there is no battery inside Alexa Echo Dot. Alexa, why there is not battery inside you?
I don't have an answer for that.
Okay, so Alexa is speechless on that question. Anyways, I am pretty happy with the performance of this system, this Alexa device, and especially I kept it on the wooden floor. Maybe that's why it is very loud and boomy right now. In future point of time, I will connect it with the home theater system and all the other systems, and I'll check how it performs. I read the reviews that if I connect it to 3.5mm jack at the back, the sound quality is amazing. You will get a premium sound quality from your home theater system or anything which you are using. So that's all for now. I hope you are satisfied. Alexa, turn on the bulb on music mode.
Should I play the playlist Bulb 1 Music 1?
Please play NCS Truck. So probably NCS is not available on Alexa. Alexa, please play some no copyright song.
Shuffling songs by No Copyright on Amazon Music.
Alexa, turn volume to maximum. So when music is playing, Alexa takes some time to capture our voice. Alexa, turn on the bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, change the bulb to music mode.
What do you mean by music mode?
Okay, so Alexa is not getting that music mode. There is music mode inside bulb. But
Can you tell me the exact value?
Full volume.
Okay, I'll remember that music mode means full. If you want to undo this, ask me to forget the last thing you taught me.
Forget the last thing. Alexa, forget the last thing which I taught you.
First, you'll need to turn on the deletion by voice setting. It's in the Alexa app under privacy.
Okay, so I have to do that manually, it seems. So there is music mode into this bulb. Let me check into the app and I will turn on the music mode, guys. So for some reason, guys, I can't use music mode when I am shooting the video. See, it's stationary. Alexa, please keep changing color of bulb.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, change the color of bulb.
I don't know how to set smart bulb to that setting.
Okay, so lots of configuration is still pending. That was my short video, guys, on the unboxing and sound quality demo and all the details about this combo. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Live loud.